Reno to 6 miles west of Hinton, moving south at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are
Holy
expected.
cow.
Damage to roofs.
That is a lot of rain right there.
Locations impacted include western Oklahoma City, El Reno, Chickasha, Blanchard, Anadarko, Yukon, Mustang, Tuttle, Piedmont,
Open
Hinton,
these blinds up.
Carnegie, Union City,
I'm blind to
Waco,
them.
Apache, Surreal, Binger, Fort Cobb, Verdon.
Wow, that is a lot of rain.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through
A flood
flooded
advisory
roadways.
has been issued.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Oklahoma, southeastern Logan, and eastern Canadian counties. At 10:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Meridian to near Edmond to near Oklahoma City, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour.